So the Young Reporters for the Environment program has been introduced as the second FEE program from the Foundation for Environmental Education to empower and give a voice to the young people, so aged between 11 and 25, to research on current ecological challenges in their local communities, propose solutions, and disseminate their messages through investigative reporting, photography, and video journalism. So the YRE is actually a competition which starts at national level, and the first place winners are granted the opportunity to enter the international YRE competition, involving candidates from 42 countries around the world. And the young reporters are also expected to link the topics of their choice to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, also known as the SDGs, all this while keeping an environmental lens. And despite the pandemic situation, the participants managed to submit their pieces of work on various themes and challenging topics in their own ways. So 13 out of 20 registered YRE clubs participated in the national competition, and we received a total of 32 submissions. So the main themes reported this year were climate changes, community involvement, bleaching and coral reef and bleaching, erosion, pollution, and water. For the academic year of 2021, we are targeting a total of 25 new clubs, so they will be invited to join the program very soon. And for the upcoming edition, we are now introducing the National Learning Campaign, so various campaigns on ecological challenges for participants to increase their reporting skills with an environmental point of view. So for the international competition, as winners, the Loreto College of Quatre-Bornes has been representing Mauritius in categories article writing as national winners with their submission on water scarcity, so outlining the main importance of this resource and the urgent need to manage it. Their submission in the single photo reportage as well was promoted for the international competition with their photograph showing the algae proliferation in the coastal region. And this submission has also been shortlisted among the 5 best photographs in the at the international level, and the results are coming soon. In the video category, Mauritius was represented by Lighthouse Secondary School with their submission on coral reef damage. The YRE clubs were also invited to participate in the Trash Hack campaign organized by the UNESCO. So this campaign highlights the small actions which could contribute to reduce waste and lead to big ideas for the planet. So the YRE club of Loreto College of Cupid made a very good performance in this campaign with their very original and creative face mask, which also received a special mention on the UNESCO website. So you can follow the YRE on various social media platforms. And Reef Conservation also joined the Tourism Authority and the European Union on the Sustainable Island Program. So this was to contribute to the education of stakeholders of tourism industry to bring them closer to the idea of having a sustainable marine environment. So Reef Conservation was appointed to train license bearers of the tourism industry, and so to give them trainings on coastal and marine environment. So after the launching of the training in the Southeast region last year, following the Waukesha event, we are now in the second phase of the program. And till now, 56 participants completed the training and had the opportunity to consolidate their knowledge of the marine and coastal and ecosystem and their associated biodiversity. So through a mixture of classroom style, discussion, and discovery session, they are now equipped to develop their daily activities in line with the sustainable best practices. So after relaunching in July of this year, we are now moving around the island to carry out the training session in various regions of the island. So the stakeholders of the tourism industry, the license bearers with the tourism authority, are more than welcome to join our sessions and learn about the wonders of the environment.